tayo, we grew up with no social media.
Yes.
Okay? We just recently lang natin nakita to, right? It means yung influential natin mula bata going up, right? When it comes to faith, hindi na, kumbaga ba, hindi siya, walang distraction. These days, you go into social media, ang dami na. From UFOs or different beings. So kung meron bang ibang tao sa universe or there's another
Yes.
human beings, so what happens to yung salita ng Bible? Wala na silang runaway, di ba? Kasi wala nga yung gulong.
Hindi nga, bakit kasi merong sementong naka-block doon?
Of course, kasi you can only go so far. Diba, kumbaga ba yun ang pinaka-limit mo na eh.
What if can they design the airport na wala ng block na kung sakasakali yung eroplano pumunta na lang sa tubig, at least may maisasal
That's a
pang mga
possibility.
tao?
Pwede
Diba?
yun. Oo.
Alam mo ba, may bagong law in California.
Ano tong gusto ko marinig yan?
Yeah, Senate Bill 259.
Senate Bill 259.
Yeah, ang ibig sabihin nun is hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes Supreme Landing.
and welcome to our
Episode
episode 69 of
Bye Pinoy sa Tate! Yes.
Hello Alvin.
Ito, good. Second take.
Happy January.
Happy January
of 2025.
2025, and we're kicking off real good.
Yes,
Yeah.
oo nga. I think there's a holiday coming up, yung Martin
Martin Luther King,
The
oo.
following weekend.
But I
yun,
really
diba?
I don't consider this as a holiday. Ang talagang holiday is Christmas.
Oo,
di ba?
nga,
Where
New
everybody-
Year,
So talagang
Thanksgiving.
lahat is pause, right? Oo.
Correct. oo nga.
Good outcome though. I've talked to a couple of businesses here.
Yes.
Meron na tayong guest sa next, maybe not this month, baka by February.
Okay,
Oo.
that's good. Oo
Yeah.
nga, nakontak mo ba si Savory Chicken?
Oo, savory chicken. Oo,
Okay,
mismo.
paborito ko yan. Ang
Oo.
sarap ng halo-halo
Ano,
doon.
ginugutom tuloy ako. Grabe to.
Grabe,
And guess what,
favorite
guys?
ko yan.
Mga viewers, you guys are gonna have a prize, right?
Yes, a $50 gift card for that,
Kung sino man ang business
kung sino
na-
man ang aming i-feature. Yeah.
So how's your 2025 so far? Are you keeping up with it?
Okay
Let's go?
naman. Busy.
Yeah.
Pero katulad nga ng nasabi ko, I really need to take care of my health.
Yeah.
Oo
let's
nga,
do
kasi
it. Oo.
parang mas mabilis ako kumilos.
Yeah.
Tapos hindi ako iritado.
Ano ka ba, kung nagawa mo yung simbang gabi, you could do this. Just kick off
I
lang.
know. oo
I really
nga.
wanna see her talaga more.
Yeah,
talaga.
yes. Oo.
More.
Ang kailangan ko talagang kontrolin yung pagkain. Alam mo, may sinasabi sila.
Oh, ano to?
Marami akong kakilala. Bigla silang pumayat.
Oh, baka naman, ano ba?
I heard na yung, alam mo ba yung gamot na
Ay,
Ozempic?
nako.
Totoo ba yun?
Yung boss ko ginawa niya yan.
Ano yan?
Yun nga,
Nag-work?
oo.
Pumayat
100
siya.
pounds. Hindi mo talaga maigilala. Sobrang, every day that I see her, I'm like, dude, you're changing so much. Pero I don't know.
Pangit ang dating.
Pero sabi niya sa akin yun, Alvin, yeah, it looks good, but what you're doing is the right way. I'm cheating, sabi niya gano'n.
Really?
Yeah.
I
Maybe
mean-
you need a little bit help to ano lang, siguro sa umpisa, pero ano pa rin
Hindi.
eh.
I mean, I don't...
Pero it works.
Okay.
Oo.
Ang ano ko kasi yung limit, lagi akong...
Appetite, yung
yung
appetite.
appetite.
Yes,
How do
oo.
you curb your appetite?
Ako kasi, mahirap talaga. Lalo na
Kailangan
tayo
uminom
Pilipino.
ka ng maraming
A
tubig.
lot of water.
Okay.
Tapos, alam mo naman ako, nagpa-fasting ako 18 hours,
Ayan
diba?
ang hindi ko kaya.
Alam mo, sa simula lang yun.
Hindi ba kumukulo yung tiyan?
Yun yung ginawa ko yung fasting ko yung beginning. Di ako makatulog sa gutom. Pero alam mo,
Tiniis mo?
pag after 3 days,
3 days.
sanay na yung katawan mo.
Ah.
Sanay na yung katawan
Hindi ka
mo.
ba parang yung nanginginig sa gutom?
Hindi naman. Parang
Kasi nangyari sa akin yan.
gutom na. Hindi naman.
Parang ka dragado.
Hindi naman.
Nanginginig na nag-withdrawal.
Ano lang talaga, talagang, a little bit of a control.
Okay.
Pero it will make you feel better talaga.
O nga, alam
Tsaka
mo
wag
yan.
wag na, something talaga na natutunan ko, wag ka nang kakain bago ka matulog.
Like
Mahirap.
what time? Like if you go to bed like at 10, so
Dapat wag ka na kumain ng mga 6, kung pwede nga 5 before.
so no more.
Wag na,
Tubig na lang.
Konti-konti na lang. Siguro, konting,
Konti.
kung may cheese ka o fruits, ganun lang.
Yun
Just
lang.
kasi sometimes ano lang naman tayo routine tsaka habit lang yun eh.
Oo
Gusto mo may
nga,
inumuya.
habit.
Lalo na kung nasarapan tayo ng TV. Di ba?
Oo nga.
You wanna,
you
nag-iisip
want
ka.
to be munching.
Di ba? Sobra.
Parang
Ang sarap naman kasi, di ba? Right?
Di ba?
Pero I'm gonna hold you accountable to that because I really want you to.
Okay. Oo nga, I will.
Yeah.
Kasi yun talaga ang
Kailangan natin
priority
yan.
ko for this.
Oo, lalo na 2025 is here. We're gonna do more
Yes,
business. It's gonna be a lot of opportunity coming in with this new presidency sitting on January 20th.
Oo nga.
Ano ba?
Yes.
Diba?
Excited ka na ba?
Sobrang excited na ako.
Alam ko baka Trump ka eh.
Hindi hindi, listen, hindi ako makatrap, okay?
Teka muna, baka ma-cancel tong show natin.
Feel ko lang na parang there's it's a little bit more, kumbaga ba, hope.
Really?
Nakikita ko, oo.
Okay.
Nakita mo naman ang rates natin for the past week, medyo bumaba.
Oo nga. Sana magtuloy-tuloy na.
So, slowly lang tayo ng konti.
Slowly but surely.
You guys, if you guys have any question about lending, what's going on,
Or
call
refinance.
me.
Oo. And what's your number, Alvin?
925-667-1205. Very easy. And at IG, my Instagram,
Yes.
at Lendvin Reyes. Yeah, napakadali
Yes.
lang. Ito ang nangyayari sa atin. Like, pero, naano ko sa mga events na nangyayari ngayon.
Ay, oo nga. Ano ba yun? Alam mo,
Tulad yan, last week.
Teka muna, before you go on.
Mm.
Ayoko nang, alam mo bang matagal na ako hindi nanonood ng news? Kasi everything in the news is bad news.
Totoo
Pero,
naman yun. Totoo
dahil
naman
nga,
yun.
syempre, social media, lumalabas siya.
Talagang lumalabas yun.
Okay, so ano bang nangyari dito? 179 people died in that plane
yung plane
crash.
crash na yun, di ba?
Grabe!
Hindi, may naanong bird sa ano. Kumbaga ba, what?
Teka muna. Okay, lahat naman ng planes nakaka-experience ng bird, diba?
Yeah, bird interference or
Okay,
something. Pero,
bakit hindi nila i-design yung eroplano na hindi pwedeng pasukan ng bird?
yun ang tinitignan ngayon ng
Okay.
ng itong plane na
Authorities.
bumagsak o na nag-crash, no. Unfortunately, siyempre nangyari to last week, 'di ba? Parang kumbaga ba, holiday, 2 weeks ago. And then grabe, 179 in an instant, boom, patay. At ang natira, yung dalawang flight attendants sa dulo.
Sa pinakadulo
Sa
sila.
ngayon parang nag-iisip ako ngayon, parang siguro mas maganda siguro mo po sa dulo, no? O tubig, direct, may tubig ba tayo? Di ba?
May tubig dito.
Parang it's again, we're sorry for all the, for those human lives na nawala, pero parang it makes you think, di ba? Parang
Life is so precious.
Saan ba talaga yung pinaka-safe na pwedeng umupo sa eroplano na pwede kang hindi maano, di ba? Parang you think about that, right?
Okay. Speaking of that, nasaan bang engine ng eroplano? Nasa wings? Nasa harap
Nasa
o likod?
wings, di ba? Yung dalawang engine nasa wings, di ba? May mga eroplano nasa likod, right? Pero yung mga big ones like this one, 737, nasa ano yun? Nasa sa wings nila yun, oo.
Okay, so I guess the best way na uupo is sa pinakalikod.
Pinakalikod nga.
Kasi kung sakaling head-on,
oo. Yeah,
You
kasi
know?
different ano naman this one actually hindi naman sila nag-crash ng pagganon, right? Nag-crash sila because wala na silang runway, di ba? Kasi wala nga yung gulong.
Hindi nga, bakit kasi merong sementong naka-block doon?
Of course, because you can only go so far. Diba, kumbaga ba yun ang pinaka-limit mo na eh.
Hindi. What if can they design the airport na wala ng block na kung sakasakali yung eroplano pumunta na lang sa tubig, at least may maisasalba
That's a possibility.
Mga tao.
Pwede
Diba?
yun. Oo. Pero
I mean, so what? If they go to the water, at least,
yeah.
yung masisave
Hindi
pa rin
naman
yung iba.
hindi naman lahat ng airport nasa water eh. Di ba?
Correct.
Oh, di ba? Di naman lahat ng water, like the Bay Area Airport, di ba?
So whoever are the engineers or aeronautics, they need to maybe start, use that as a lesson or as a an outcome na what are the better ways to design
for me, kasi nga, one of the reasons bakit ba nagka-problema is because of the bird, right?
Yeah,
okay.
Okay. So, speaking of that, why can't they design the airplanes na
more bird protection, I think, right?
Hindi, kasi minsan hindi naman natin, kasi remember, birds are nature. So, walang oras o time yan.
Hindi mo alam.
Anytime they could just,
but that's,
and sometimes it's just luck.
Yeah.
Or sometimes kapag talagang panahon mo na.
Talagang panahon mo na.
Kaya kasi kapag, yung iba nga, patay na, nabubuhay pa pag di mo pa panahon. Do you think?
If you still have a reason to live, di ba? Kung may dahilan ka pa.
So parang it's just so sad. It's so many people, 170.
Sobra. And it's for me, parang nung nakita ko sa news, yung parang, gosh, it's, katatapos lang natin ng...
It's so graphic. You saw it, sumabog.
Sumabog talaga. Talang ball of fire siya talaga.
Oh,
Tsaka meron pang isa, yung kay sa Trump naman, doon sa Vegas, sa Trump building niya, di ba?
Okay, ano nangyari
may
dyan?
nagpark ng Cybertruck. Cyber pa to, ha?
Tesla.
Tesla.
Okay.
May bomba sumabog mismo. Doon mismo sa front ng ano niya.
Ano ba naman pasasabugin yung mamahaling pang kotse?
Oo nga, Tesla pa. Ano kay Elon Musk pa. Parang hindi ko alam kung anong meaning nun. Pero,
alam mo, hindi kasi di ba
maybe.
si Elon is
Hindi mo
part of
alam.
the gonna be Trump administration.
Pero this is what, it's just sad guys to talk about this kasi nga, bagong taon, di ba? And
Oo
you see
nga.
all this tragic na nangyayari.
Yeah,
Yeah,
nga.
oo.
I mean, it's part of that. You're always gonna have haters.
Yeah.
There's always gonna be sakuna or
Yeah.
accident.
Yeah.
Kaya nga tinatawag accident. Pero I think what we should learn from this, di ba?
Okay.
Kung sino man yung mga engineers or aeronautics that they could plan out better.
Better.
Di ba?
Mm.
Pero
Well,
it's just so
aksidente.
sad. Alam mo,
Sobrang-
nakita ko yung mga yung mga namatayan.
Oh,
Na
syempre.
ng loob.
Tsaka
di ba?
especially seeing how it explode. Parang, kung ako yung... Uy.
O yung loved ones mo na
parang,
sa
oh my gosh.
aeroplanong yun.
Para sa akin, it's like, is it real? Parang totoo ba to? Di ba? Parang
But
ganun.
I wonder if there was even a like a video of a person
Inside, di ba?
who was actually filming it while
That would
they
be-
were landing. Pero wala, sumabog na rin eh.
Sumabog ko. Yung dalawa lang yung...
Sumabog na rin yung camerang yun eh.
For sure. Sa ganung klaseng fireball, di ba? We're not laughing about it. It's just that
OMG.
it's a very tragic talaga. Sobrang kumbaga ba, nakakalungkot talaga yung nangyari nun. Kaya nga, it makes me think nagpaparis... Kaya kanina tumitingin kami ng ticket going to Philippines sa March, di ba?
Natatakot ka na ngayon mag-fly.
So, di ba, pipili ka naman po, saan kaya yung pinaka-safety talaga? Parang nagdadalawang isip ka.
Doon ka
diba?
na sa pinakalikod.
Diba? Actually, in reality naman, in all honesty, kung time mo na talaga.
Yes,
diba?
correct. Oo, pero
Hindi
ayoko
talaga,
kasi umuupo sa likod is ang tagal bumaba at lumabas.
Oo, correct yun.
Di ba? Para bang by the time na how many passengers? 200?
Oo.
By the time na lumabas ka, nahuubos na yung 100, yung isang oras mo.
Grabe.
Kaya I prefer to sit towards the front.
Grabe. And then, ito pa nagbabaga kanina, nanonood ako ng 24 oras, di ba?
Sa Pilipinas yan.
Oo. Yung mga nagpaputok, hanggang ngayon nililinis pa rin yung mga Di ba
Yung
ganun kadami nagpaputok sa Pilipinas?
So what do you mean?
I mean, they still cleaning the mess ng mga paputok. Kasi sobrang daming paputok. Grabe.
Hindi. Di ba nga sa atin, tuwing New Year,
Oo.
maraming mga naaaksidente,
Oo nga,
napuputulan ng paa, napuputulan,
Yes.
nasasabugan yung mukha,
Oo.
or yung napuputulan ng daliri.
Oo. Pero
Remember that?
Oo na, marami talaga. Pero ibig sabihin niya, na ano lang, kasi hanggang ngayon, they're still cleaning yung aftermath ng mga putukan sa Pilipinas.
Ganun ba kadami yung mga paputok?
Sobrang dami na. Didn't you see sa YouTube yung sa Metro Manila itself, like parang the skies are on a war zone?
Teka muna. I mean, ano ba yan? Mura na ba paputok sa atin sa Pilipinas?
Ano ba? Mura ba sa Pilipinas? Lahat.
Teka muna po, why did the Philippines all of a
It's just-
sudden
it's our-
went all out?
Yun ang natin. I think 2025 is a different door, ha? Kasi hindi ko naman nakita to nung 2024, walang gaanong.
Hindi baka nagmura ang
Baka nagmura ba? Oo.
Naging mura
Pero
yung mga
sobrang
paputok.
grabe talaga yung putukan nung 2025 sa Manila. And I wanna be back there sana in one of this New Year talaga.
Oo nga, speaking of
Gusto
that,
ko
ano
lang.
bang paborito mong paputok?
Ako, dalawa lang naman eh.
Ano?
5-star, kasi generation ko, di ba? 5-star tsaka bawang. Ako, alam mo, Watusi.
Si Lucy.
Lucy. Alam niyo yung Watusi, di ba? Yung maliit.
Yung kay, ano ba yun? Yung
Sinturon ni Judas.
sintro ni Judas.
Hindi na sinturon ni Judas. Kasi ang haba na yung buong, kumbaga,
Hindi na sintro
ganun
na.
pala kalaki si Judas, yung ganun haba ng sinturon. Dati kasi yung sinturon ni Judas, parang mga 10 feet lang.
Isang sintron lang yun.
Yung nga, parang, ngayon,
Hindi
yung
siya
buong
10.
street na, talagang nakarolyo talaga.
Wow!
Tapos ang haba. Parang ganun.
Wow.
Kaya nga yung mga naglilinis, hanggang ngayon nililinis pa rin. Kasi sobrang, kumbaga, puro papel lang talaga yung nasa kalsada.
Wow,
Oo.
that's interesting.
Oo nga.
Wow, I mean, Philippines really went all out.
Yeah, pero you know what? Like I said, I have a good feeling about this 2025.
Okay, tell me why you have a
I
good
don't know,
feeling.
parang gut feeling ko lang parang everything will be much better talaga.
Alam mo,
Hindi ko
sabi
alam.
nila, auspicious daw kasi ang ending is 5.
Yun.
So, papataas daw yung number.
Hindi
Like
pababa,
this.
hindi 4 na pababa na gano'n.
Yes,
Ganun ba yun?
Yeah, so
What?
sabi nila it's gonna be, and also in Chinese, ang 5 is progression. It means go, go, go.
Go, go, go. Oh,
Yeah, so those are one of the lucky numbers.
Yes.
Sabi nila.
Yeah. So guys, 2025, okay? I know everybody.
This is it. This is gonna be our year.
Yeah, I think so.
Yes,
I think so. I can feel it. I have so much energy right now. Everything is double up like I talked to you about in my last our last episode. Lahat ng gagawin ko, either it's my relationship, my business, my prayers, double up lahat.
Alam mo ba, may bagong law in California.
Ano tong gusto ko marinig yan.
Yeah, alam mo bang magkakaroon ng maraming family formation?
Now, okay.
Ha?
Okay.
Alam mo ko why?
Talk to me. Okay, give me more. Give me more about it.
Senate Bill 259.
Senate Bill 259.
Yeah,
Okay.
ang ibig sabihin nun is if your employer has employees of 100 and more, they're gonna have to include yung infertility treatment sa insurance.
Wow.
Yeah. So, halimbawa, mag-asawa, di ba? Hindi kayo magkaanak, right? So, the infertility dati noon, 100,000 per pop, di ba? For first every time na nagtatry.
Yeah.
So, ito included na sa insurance coverage mo. Effective July of 2025.
Wow.
So, you could have up to 3 eggs, di ba? 3 eggs, and then unlimited embryo.
Uy.
Isn't it? It's interesting.
No, ba?
Diba?
Interesting to, grabe.
So ito na, yung mga gusto pong magkaanak dyan. Yeah, definitely, ito na po.
Pwede.
Hindi kasi katulad doon, 100,000 ang charge. Ito kasama na sa insurance.
Pwede nang i-claim.
Yes.
Grabe.
Alam mo kasi, alam mo ba kung paano nabubuntis ang babae?
Alam ko, pero...
Teka muna.
Okay.
When it comes to
Of course, alam ko.
When it comes to reproduction.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
So, ganito. So, dun sa fallopian, ano ba pangalan to? Yung yung follicles, di ba?
Okay, alright.
So, nagpo-produce yun ng eggs, di
Okay.
ba?
Okay.
1 egg per cycle or per month.
Per month.
So
okay.
ngayon may pinapainom siguro or anything na yung follicles magpo-produce not just 1 egg, it will produce several eggs.
Wow.
Okay? So with that several eggs, mamimili kang, yung science mamimili ngayon, titingnan niya na alin ba dito sa cell na to na more likely hindi magkaka-cancer. Kung ang parents ko parehong may cancer.
Wow!
Isn't it that's
Madidetect
interesting?
na natin yun?
Madidetect
Sobra.
na. Ang galing ng science.
Sobra.
Ano?
Well, the other thing too is kay Elon Musk, yung Neuralink ba? Yung parang...
ano naman yan?
Sinasabi nila na parang
Anong
pwede na magamot yung Alzheimer.
Wow!
Yun yung sinasabi nila ha. Like because of the AI, parang pwede nang yung brain natin. I don't want to say anything else, pero parang may narinig lang ako na parang pwede nang magamot yung Alzheimer.
Ang dami nang nagawang technology ni Elon Musk. Yung mga remote areas nga, nagkakaroon na ng internet because of the Starlink.
Actually, I'm interested of Starlink talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anybody has that, pero parang gusto kong... Kasi sa Costco, nakita ko may binibenta.
Yeah. Actually, yung bahay namin sa American Canyon, kasi parang medyo, it's half an acre. Medyo, you have to go through the mountains.
Walang gaanong signal.
Walang doon, walang Comcast o walang other provider. So, the only way for you to get internet is through Starlink.
Wow.
Yeah, so bumili kami ng equipment.
How is that working? Is it good? Pretty good?
It's pretty good.
Parang sige.
Yeah, kasi alam mo, walang monthly. Basta
eh.
bibilin mo lang yung equipment tapos may forever ka na.
Oo nga eh.
Kung gusto mo mag-update ng...
Kasi tataasan naman yung Comcast namin. Nakakaasak eh.
Hindi
diba?
kasi yung Comcast, cable siya,
cable
diba?
kasama na lahat.
Kasi yung cable, pinaparaan yan sa ilalim ng kalsada sa mga new subdivisions.
Correct.
Okay,
yes, totoo yan.
Ones, yeah. So, it's interesting. Isn't it this science is really like...
With the AI too as well, they're saying this could be the technology that it'll just be faster than anything else that is being developed. And it's already here, to be honest with you.
Wow, that's really interesting.
So, we're moving into a very fast phase. Talking about that, talking about this, and I just
Yeah.
want to be able to change the subject a little bit, diba?
Okay.
I don't know. I know you said that you don't watch a lot of news.
Yeah, I don't.
Right.
I deliberately don't want to
Pero,
watch news.
Guys, I've been seeing a lot in social media as far as UFOs, unidentified objects. Hindi nga, walang biro. Tingnan mo na.
Seriously?
Di mo ba nakikita yung mga
Parang
lumalabas
may
ngayon?
mga nakikita
Ang dami
ko.
na lumalabas sa
Hindi,
recently.
mga drone lang siguro yun.
Mga drones lang ba yun?
Hindi natin alam.
Hindi natin alam.
Kasi merong
Pero
mga-
ang dami na lumalabas na talagang weird stuff na lumalabas na mga parang, di ba, meron pang lumalabas na orb na nagbabago yung kulay, parang gano'n.
baka drone lang yun.
Di ba, sa tingin
Hindi.
mo?
Pero okay, so alam naman natin, 2025,
Oh.
okay, maiba tayo ng topic,
Okay.
is the Jubilee year.
The Jubilee year. Oh nga, you're talking about the Jubilee year.
oo.
Okay. Okay.
So, this is gonna be in Rome, Italy.
Oh.
Okay,
Mm.
the Vatican.
Mm.
So, ito yung bubuksan yung 4 holy doors. Actually, magiging 5 na.
Mm.
Alam mo ba kung ano yung panglima?
Ano yung panglima?
There's a door in the prison na magiging designated holy door. Isn't it that's
This
interesting?
is interesting.
Yeah, so kasi think about it. Jubilee year is every 25 years.
Mm.
So if kung let's say kasi pupunta kami ng Mr. Cos, right?
Yes.
To experience
Yes,
Jubilee
yes,
year
yes,
and
yes.
have a mass with the Pope, right?
Yeah.
So if I don't go now, I'll be what 78.
Yeah. Oo.
Baka hindi na ako
Wala na yun.
makapag-travel.
Let's just do it now. Oo. Ako rin tinitignan ko
No,
rin yan.
seriously.
Yeah, I
Ikaw,
wanna do.
Magiging 80 ka na.
Wag naman
No,
ganyanan.
for real.
Wag kayo maniwala dyan.
80.
Oo nga, kung gano'n na, parang, let's do it now, di ba?
No, seriously.
Oo.
So, I mean, 80, do you think we could still travel?
Hindi na.
And then with
Hindi
all
na.
this crowd,
Wala
I mean,
na, wala na.
it's gonna be so
Yeah.
crazy busy
Ngayon
over
pa nga
there.
lang, medyo mahirap na maglakad-lakad eh. Nahiraramdaman mo na.
No,
80 pa kaya.
No, it's gonna be really busy.
Yeah,
You know
yeah,
what I mean?
yeah.
Pero ano ba ang significance doon? Why do you need to go through that? Kasi every 25 years lang
Why is it every
binubuksan.
25? Bakit ba and why? Okay, you tell me because I've never.
Hindi,
Ano ba ang meaning nun? Ano ba ang
hindi ko pa
significant?
actually talagang maintindihan
Oh.
kasi but I'm just looking through YouTube and everything.
Yeah.
And I'll find out
Okay.
kasi we're going there as a pilgrim for Couple for Christ.
Travel for Christ.
Sabi nila parang once you go through that door, it's blessed na sabi nila na parang you're gonna be a new whole person. Para bang it's all your sins will be washed away
Oo.
and you're gonna be transformed into a new person.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Para
ah.
bang hinugasan ka ng Holy
Parang
Spirit.
bagong baptize ka uli. Parang ganon.
Parang ganon.
Gusto ko yun. Direct. Sign me up.
Yeah,
Di ba?
No.
Oh,
Sabi,
no, really,
ang
really,
sabi
really,
nila.
really, really.
So that's what they said, that's significance.
Yeah.
And the reason why they're doing one inside the prison, kasi ito yung mga taong, syempre, mga nagkasala, di ba?
Sinners.
Sinners, nag-commit ng crime or anything. So for them to experience that and walk to a new life.
That's something.
Isn't
really
that
something.
interesting?
I think we all need that naman sa buhay, di ba? Sa ating lahat, di ba?
Yeah, kasi I mean as a human being, we're really nag-umpisa to sa kay Adam and Eve, di ba?
Correct.
We're really tempted to become a sinner,
Oo.
di ba?
Yeah. After, yeah.
Yeah, kasi mahina tayo sa tukso, di ba? Okay. But by you doing this, para bang okay, now I have another chance in life.
Yeah.
Na okay, napatawad na ako.
Yeah. New beginning.
Whether venial sin or mortal sin, I mean, at least this will actually propel you to a new you.
Yeah.
Sabi nila.
Yeah.
But
Wow.
I will learn more kasi nga we have a, pilgrimage and conference there.
Yeah.
And just like what I said, hindi pa ako,
Hindi ka pa.
I'm still
Well, tell me
trying
more
to-
about it.
I'm
di
still
ba?
trying to learn more
Tell me
and
more about
really
it.
improve my understanding. Because I'm still trying to, build my relationship with God.
Yeah.
Baka tulad ng
Yeah.
sinabi ko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's ito lang sa akin to, Elizabeth.
Yes.
I think if there's really anything, I feel like ito lang ko. I feel ko, our faith needs to be really stronger kasi I feel like sobrang masyadong marami ng distraction
Grabe.
all over.
I mean,
Even just by being in social media, by going to the news, parang you could easily just have your faith gone, di ba?
No.
Belief.
They don't really promote it.
Hindi na iba na.
At saka
diba?
iba na yung dynamics ng family.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Parang ganun.
Yung kasi family is the basic unit of society.
Correct.
So, kung ang mga children natin hindi natin natuturuan ng tama from at home,
It starts from there.
How and they don't have a strong faith kasi ganito in life marami, I mean kasi tayo mga hindi na tayo bata, we experience it ourselves.
We've gone through
right?
that stuff.
So kung wala tayong faith na hinahawakan, talagang ligaw na tayo ng landas.
Yeah. And this is,
di ba?
Yeah, and this is
kasi sa daming mga pagsubok.
Pero ito yung ibig kong sabihin, right? Kasi kanina, like, and this is an example. Tayo, we grew up with no social media.
Yes.
Okay? We just recently lang natin nakita to, right? It means yung influential natin mula bata going up, right? When it comes to faith, walang distraction. Diba? You don't see it. These days, you go into social media, ang dami na, right? From UFOs or different beings, may nakikita sila ganun. Parang it makes you question, so kung meron bang ibang tao sa universe or there's another human being, so what happens to yung salita ng Bible? Or parang parang inaano ka, kine-question na, you know what I mean, right? And it's so easy to see that kasi everything is social media, napaka-easy access na for everyone.
Correct.
So kaya ang dami na nagka-question, okay, kung I don't know if you've been watching, but kung makikita mo yan, ang dami na, kung meron daw siyang nakakita ng aliens, kung gano'n, parang, hindi, totoo nga, di ba? And sometimes, kung especially in new generation, di ba, walang kasing solid tayo na what we have, parang napakadaling question yung faith mo or really what it is, kung sino talaga ang tinatawag natin God,
correct.
Right?
Oo nga.
Yun ang gusto kong sanang I wanted to pinpoint kanina na parang napakadaming distraction. Parang i-release yung faith mo sa God, di ba? Right?
Yeah.
And it's all over the place, from news, from social media.
Alam mo nga, Alvin, kaya nga yan ang parang mission namin for Couple for Christ na we really need to, start from home. Yeah. Kailangan yung mga anak mo, yung faith mo, tapos and everyone that you encounter in life na, na tulungan mo sila to understand and also find that faith again.
Yeah. It's hard, especially these days, di ba? Right? Kailan ka nagkakaroon ng quality time sa mga kids mo na talagang walang telepono, walang social media?
Correct. Oo nga.
Diba? It's for me, mga parents ngayon who really wants to do this stuff, parang sa akin, ang hirap, di ba?
Ang hirap. Paano kaya pag nagkaapo na tayo,
di ba?
Alvin?
Parang everybody's all like, you're eating in a dinner table, everybody's
Hindi kasi think about it. Kung nandyan ang telepono, why do you need a parent? The telephone could actually teach you everything and anything.
Andiyan pa yung AI, di ba?
Oo nga, paano na yun?
Kaya
Siguro pag nagkaanak tayo, siguro we have to wait until they're middle school to get a cell phone.
Yeah, parang kumbaga ba talagang hirap na, and it's becoming more and more distraction.
Oo nga.
Parang hindi mo na makontrol. Sa totoo to, okay? Even me, I'm guilty of it. Ako, minsan kakain ako, nasa social media pa rin ako. Pero you just see a lot of stuff that parang, it makes you...
At saka hindi lang yun. Okay, I'm gonna tell you, if you look at your cell phone too much and you're always on your phone, mabobobo ka.
Yun nga.
Kasi think about it, all you do is absorb.
Totoo yan.
Get entertained, absorb.
Totoo yan.
Wala ka ng time na mag-critical thinking na parang, teka muna, how did...
And we begin to believe kung ano yung nakikita natin, yun ang totoo. I'm just being honest with you,
Nagiging nai-influensyahan
Correct.
ka.
Ang hirap talaga.
So you have to be careful.
Ang hirap talaga.
In anything, anything excessive is bad for you.
Lahat naman eh.
Yes.
Pero talaga sa akin, sa mga parents na talagang, kumbaga ba, who still do it, I wouldn't say the old-fashioned way, right? Who's doing, again, it's parang mahirap eh. So I give props to you kasi mahirap talaga because of all the distractions talaga nandiyan lang eh.
Pero I think as a parent, we need to actually make it a priority to not just safeguard our children. I mean, from social media itself. Ang daming mga sex predators sa social media.
Sobra
social
talaga.
media or,
easy access talaga eh.
Even gaming. They're
easy.
gonna pretend that they're friends or they're the same age as you. Di ba maraming mga nakikita ka na nakikidnap? Di ba?
Yeah, totoo yan. And then again, like I said, napag-uusapan lang natin ito because these are one of the things that I'm seeing na talagang parang I'm bothered a lot talaga. Kasi even me sometimes I question, totoo ba talagang may ibang Baka naman talagang, di ba? I'm questioning my own faith sometimes, di ba? Pero if you have a strong faith, it doesn't matter. Hindi mo pwedeng, hindi mo
ilan taon na ba yung bunso mo?
He's 19.
Okay. At least, thank goodness.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? At least, an adult na.
Yeah. But you cannot even talk to them, get off your phone. Di mo na pwedeng sabihin sa kanila yan. It's part of their
when you say that, well, how would they react?
Minsan nagagalit lang ako kasi, hey, kasi here's what I'm seeing.
You should have like a basket that says everybody deposit their phone.
Well, good luck. Mahirap yun.
And then what's gonna happen?
Sa akin lang kasi, it's parang ang hirap nang minsan sabihin o mag-teach kasi they're seeing a lot of stuff in social media and sometimes yun na lang nakikita nila, akala lang yun ang totoo. Diba? As a parent, ang hirap na I'm not saying it's hard, but I'm just saying it's difficult, it's very challenging to
kaya nga tayo, we're using this platform, which is the Bahay Pinoy sa Tate podcast, to bring awareness, di ba? Na, hey, you know what, there's a lot of content and there's a lot of things that you will hear or see, but you just have to be careful and selective and still think for themselves. Kawawa yung mga bata. Kasi
sa akin lang, main goal ko lang is don't question your faith to God. Kasi yun ang mahirap nga sa social media when you go into social media, ang dami mong information na kukuha. You don't know kung ano na yung totoo minsan.
Oo nga.
Diba?
Di ba nangyari nga yan? Kaya nga you have to be careful what you absorb. Para bang, give you example. I only follow people in social media that are inspirational, people that are like kinda following their success or like tips and tricks and things like that. But or sometimes I wanted to laugh. There's this guy that I follow. Okay, I hope you learned something today, and we can't wait to see you on our next episode here at Bahay Pinoy sa Tate. Thank you, everyone.
End your January good, guys.
Okay,
bye-bye.